Okay guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to create your own brand. This is basically a color, image, and font profile that you can apply to any project. So what you do is on the main landing page for Spark, you click on Brands, and as you can see I already have a few made. I have one for my Unlearning America project. I have a very simple sort of gray sans serif font one called The End. And then I've made one for content that I'm creating for our design program. So how you start is you click on Create a Brand. Let that load. And then you just basically follow through these steps, right? So if you have a logo that will appear sort of like in these profile pages where your logo image will appear in the corner, or it could be a little picture of yourself or whatever. It can be a JPEG or a PNG. Make sure it's a relatively small size, not much more than 600 or 800 pixels. I'm going to skip that step. Then I'm going to go ahead and pick a color profile for my overall image. In this case, maybe sort of a light gray would work for me. If you want to, I recommend keeping it fairly simple unless you have a specific color in mind for your project. You can go for black or white or gray. I'm going to click Save, and then you choose your font. So it'll give you a list of common fonts. You can of course add a unique font if you want to. If you click on this, it'll pull from your font book on your computer. But again, I'm going to go for something pretty basic. I think maybe I'll go for Adobe Caslon. Okay. So then you can see what it's built is profiles of what it might look like in different environments. So you click Next, then you got to name it. The important thing about this is the name appears on the bottom of every page that you make, and as it's loading, your name will appear also. So you might just want to put your name. And then you can create my brand. So then if you go to create a project, and let's go ahead and make a web page. A basic web page. When you click on this theme, if you click up here, you can see that that brand that I just made is actually available, right? And you can choose light, medium, or dark in terms of that profile family. Light, looking like, and each one will have a different overall profile. So then once you have that set up, you can go ahead and build your project in the same way that you've built all the other projects. And look for the next video. I'll show you how to build some different content in Spark.